Warren Lashmar
and Mickey White from Knight Frank, Tasmania, working together
to present to you this great lifestyle offering at 10 Cuthberts Road in beautiful Margate.
Situated just 5 minutes from the centre of ever-popular Margate and only 20 minutes drive from Hobart, this gorgeous 15-acre property offers exceptional privacy and is a wonderful lifestyle opportunity. A home significant in size, set for a large family and offering flexible floor plan, an ideal canvas for those seeking to put their own stamp on things. Outdoors, there are established orchards and vegetable gardens, 6 paddocks with 2 dams, and a double-storied character timber barn and stables. Perfect for that country lifestyle property you've always dreamed of.